Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
This video will discuss how to change the theme and size of the screen
Of
Spyder interface. Just go to Spyder Anaconda 3. It will take a few seconds. Now go to Tools, then Preferences, Application you are having. Set a custom high DPI scaling. We can change. You can see the size of the screen increased. If you want, you can go to Preferences. Inside it, we can change the theme also. You can see the result in preview portion. We can change as per our requirement. Here we can change the rich text also. You can see how to apply. It will change the interface theme.
after applying the theme, you can see the result. Hope this video is beneficial to you.
Thanks for watching.